Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh, beautiful. This is it, pansit. Are you ready? Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Thursday, everyone. Can you believe it's now 1st of October? Yes, we have to believe now, guys, no? Kasi 1st of October na naman talaga. Si ate nyo ay very excited today kasi from today until the 6th of October, naka-annual leave ako, kaya wala akong work, guys. I'm very, very happy. I so look forward for this day. And di ba kung nakita nyo yung previous video ko, today sana 1st of October yung appointment ko for my hair. Pero dahil nga hindi ni-lift ng premiere namin dito sa Victoria yung aming restrictions for stage 4 lockdown, kaya yung mga hairdresser ay close pa. Kaya si ate nyo, hindi ko na lang kinancel yung aking, yung aking annual leave. So yung gagawin ko ngayon, nandito ako sa kwarto. Ayan, si baby girl pala natin, sa childcare today. Nandito ako sa kwarto kasi maglilinis tayo ng ating bedroom today, guys. And ito talaga yung isang bagay na gusto kong ma-achieve sa aking annual leave, guys. Can you imagine, meron akong 6 days na walang trabaho, including na yung, guys, yung weekend yan. Pero, yeah, it's been a while na parang, tawag ito, wala akong trabaho for that, straight 6 days. Kaya, sobrang excited ko ngayon, guys, and full of energy. Pero yun na nga yung gusto kong ma-achieve, guys, sa aking annual leave, na maglinis tayo, na maglinis ng bahay. For now, unahin muna natin yung bedroom. Ini-start ko na pala siya, guys. So, minove ko na ang ating bed para malinisan ko na yung nasa ilalim. Ayan. So, I am planning to do some changes, guys. I'll see. Ito siya, guys. Ito siyang door na to. Kay Daddy Mike pala to siya. Ito yung lalagyan ni Daddy Mike ng kanyang mga jocks, ng mga panty. Ayun, panty. Brief, mga ganon. Yung kanyang mga tawag dito, yung mga shirts and mga shorts, dyan yan nilalagay. So, I'm thinking maybe pwede ko siyang i-move dyan, guys, para may bago namang set up ang ating bedroom, diba? I'll see if magkasya siya, guys. But, yeah, yun yung gagawin ko ngayon, guys. I'm very excited na malinis tong ating bedroom. Ayan, napaspasan na ako siya sa ilalim. Ayan, dilinisan ko na yung ilalim. Tapos, yung mga dumi na sa ilalim ng bed na to. But, gusto ko lang i-open ang aking vlog, guys. Kaya, yun. Anyways, let's start! So, ito yung ating before, guys, ha? Pero, minove ko na ang ating bed dito. So, yung bed dito, ayan, yung drawer, doon, meron pa doon. And, unfortunately, yung ating bed, tapos yung ating, kay Paris na, cot niya, hindi natin siya ma-move. Kasi, yan na talaga yung, yung space na nakalaan para dyan. But maybe the mirror and this one can exchange place. We'll see how it goes. Ayan. Okay, guys, let's do it. We have a problem here, guys. So, itong drawer na to, hindi siya kakasya dito. Kasi, if ever dito ko siya ilagay, hindi na to siya ma-open. Pero gusto ko talagang ma-change yung look, guys, ng kwarto na to. So, I might go do my plan B. So this one, I'll see if I can move that there. Diyan. Tapos ito siya dito. What do you think, guys? I'll give it a go. Since yung naman, yung socket, yung saksakan ba, dito, wala dito sa side na to. Nandun sa side na yun. Kaya meron kaming extensions na papunta doon sa ilalim. Ayan, oh. So, maybe I can move this there. Tapos, yung coat ni Paris dito na side. Okay, let's do that one, guys. Naghahanap lang talaga ng trabaho si atin nyo. So, this is what it looks so far, guys. Ayan. So, na-move ko na yung drawer doon. Tapos yung, ano din, yung side table. And, itong bed na lang yung gagawin natin, guys. Tingnan nyo. Grabe kagubot. But before we do that, we will just have a snack. Meron akong bacon, steak, bacon, and cheese pie. Oop! Ayan, binili ko kanina nung hinatid ko si Paris sa childcare. So, mag-snacks muna tayo. And then, tingnan nyo ang ating upload. What's the time now? 1:11 ng hapon. And it's uploading now. 92%. So, yan yung upload natin for today, guys. Yan. So, multitasking si atin nyo, guys. Ganyan talaga ang dapat natin gawin para matapos natin lahat ng ating mga dapat gawin. Hi guys! So, it's now 2:30 ng hapon and kakatapos lang nating linisan ang ating bedroom. And I'm very excited guys na pakita sa inyo. So, now, we will do a bedroom tour. So, bedroom tour lang muna ngayon guys. Kasi, yung ibang parte ng bahay, hindi ko pa nalinisan talaga. Kaya, yes, bedroom lang muna tayo. This is it. Pansit. Are you ready? Nye. So, pagkapasok guys, yung first na makikita nyo is itong plant na to. Nilagay ko to siya dyan. That's from the other room pala. Pero, as you can see, tinransfer ko yung drawer doon at nag-exchange sila ng coat ni Paris. So, this is Paris' coat. Ayan. So, ang baby girl natin ay natutulog pa with us. Kaya, nandito to siya. Kinuha namin yung sa gilid ng cot, ganyan, para maka-move sa Paris. Makapunta siya sa bed namin. But most of the time, sa bed pa rin namin siya natutulog. But, ito yung bed ni Baby Paris, guys. Yung ibang mga stuffed toys pala, nilabas ko na kasi sa dami nila, wala nang nahihigaan si Paris. Puro stuffed toys na lang. Kaya, nilabas ko na yung iba, yung mga hindi talaga niya like ito, mga ano to niya, mga favorites to niya, kaya maiiwan yan dyan sila. And then this is our bed. So yung bed pala namin guys is only double bed, hindi yung queen bed. Double bed ito siya kasi we had this bed before Paris. So hindi pa kami nakapag-upgrade. Kasi basta lang guys, wala lang. We like this bed and maybe pag siguro pag nag-move kami sa ibang bahay, yung medyo malaking bahay na, then we will upgrade to a bigger bed. Pero ito yung bed namin. Ito yung ginawa ko. Change ko yung Duna cover. Tapos ito yung nilagay ko sa ibabaw. This is from Kmart, I think. Itong mga parang net na cloth. And I really like the, ang tawag dito, yung kulay na pink and gray and white. Yan talaga yung color palette ko, guys. And I really love looking at that colors kasi parang nakaka-relax siya sa mata, yung mga kulay na ganyan. And that one there, that's the only wall decor na meron kami sa bedroom na to. I bought that from Facebook Marketplace, but originally, that's from Freedom. And, sobrang ganda ng quality niyan, guys. Very mabigat. Kaya I made sure na talaga strong talaga yung pagkakapit niya sa wall. Para hindi siya mahulog habang natutulog kami. And then, on this side, guys, meron tayong bedside table. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko yan binili. I can't remember anymore. Pero itong lamp na to, this is from Kmart. Sobrang like ko to siya, guys. And then, itong clock na to, and then itong char-char lang na plant na yan, hindi yan siya totoo. That's from IKEA. Ayan. I miss going to IKEA, guys. Sobrang love ko yung IKEA. And then on this side, ito yung drawer ni Daddy Mike. Diyan nakalagay lahat ng mga shorts and pants and some jocks and socks ni Daddy Mike. On top here, meron tayong picture frame with Daddy Mike and myself. Ayan, nung single days namin. Wala pa si Paris niyan. And then, this is originally for Paris's room. Pero si Paris ay nandito naman sa aming room. Kaya andyan yan siya. You are the sun, the moon, and all of the stars. And then dito guys, itong round na, ewan ko kung anong tawag dito, tray. Yan. I got this from Kmart. And then dito, nilalagay ko yung mga coins. Ayan. And then yung aking perfume. So, hindi pala ako talaga mahilig sa perfumes, guys. Ito siya, I had it for so long. Bigay ito ni Daddy Mike sa akin nung birthday ko ata. And this is from Jimmy Choo. Ayan. And this Chanel na spray, I bought this one from Ate Ana. Hello, Ate Ana! Binili kasi ni Ate Ana, tapos hindi daw niya ginamit, kaya binibenta niya. Sabi niya, bilhin ko na lang kasi good price. Ayaw ko talagang magbayad ng full price, guys. Sobrang kuripo talaga ni Ate nyo. And then, I've got this plant. This is what they call devil's ivy. Ayan, sobrang love ko to, guys. I really love green kasi nakaka-refresh sa mata. And then, I've got this candle na sobrang mabango talaga ngayon, guys. Ayan, this is from my boss pala. Nung pinadalhan nila ako ng box the other month o few weeks ago. Ayan. Kasi alam nila na love ko talaga yung candle. So, pinadala nila yan sa akin. And then, this one I got from Safeway. Woolworths. Ayan. So, nag-spray yan siya ng mabango na smell. Ayan. So, nakaset to siya, I think, every hour. And then, sa side na to, alam nyo yan. Yan yung favorite talaga ni Paris na place. Si Paris gusto niyang pumasok dyan all the time. So, yan yung laundry basket natin. Lahat ng mga dirty clothes andyan. Punong-puno pa yan. O, tingnan nyo. Nag-uumapaw pa. Talking about laundry, meron pala akong isang load na nilagay sa washing machine. So, after nito, kailangan nating isampay sa labas. Kasi tingnan nyo sa labas, guys. Oh, very sunny. Oh, I love it today, guys. Sumasabay yung panahon sa aking feeling. Very happy lang. At yung plant na yan, guys, sobrang madilim, hindi makita against the light yata. Ayan, malapit na yan siyang malanta before because of the heater. So, inalis ko na yung heater namin dito sa kwarto kasi hindi na naman siya masyadong maginaw talaga ngayon para mabuhay to siya ulit. Next one, guys, is itong mirror na to na palagi nyo namang nakikita sa mga vlogs natin. Ayan. Ito pala yung outfit natin for today, guys, ha? Sobrang summer lang sa atin nyo. May pa crop top. Ayan. So, itong mirror na to, galing to siya sa Facebook Marketplace. And, yeah, I bought it very cheap. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. And then, sa side na to, guys, is may mirror din siya. Built-in mirror talaga siya. Ayan, hindi mo talaga to siya matatanggal. Sa side naman na to, yung mga nakalagay is, nilagyan ko lang plant again. Ayan, why not? Tapos, merong note dito, and pen. I can and I will. Kay Daddy Mike pala to, guys. So, si Daddy Mike is very organized yan siya. Tingnan nyo. May mga clean the house, study 1 hour, may mga bed 10 p.m. Ayan, very disciplined yan si Daddy Mike. Ako wala akong mga ganyan, guys. Sa akin is kamot may. Tapos sa side na to, guys, wala akong mga makeup talaga dito. Kasi yung mga makeup ko ay nasa beauty room. So yung mga dinala ko lang dito is yung mga brushes, yung mga kadalasang ginagamit ko talaga. Ayan, mga dirty na brushes. Ayan. Meron tayong mga para sa mukha, ganyan, makeup remover, and all. Tapos, dito sa mga drawers na to, guys, merong mga kung anik-anik. Hindi ko na ipapakita para, kasi, very messy. Anyways, tapos, merong ganito, guys. Oh, dalawang cupboard. These two are for Daddy Mike. So, yung mga, dito, hindi pa talaga to organized, guys, kasi, hindi pa nakapag, si Daddy Mike. Ayan. So, sa taas, meron siyang yung mga caps ni Daddy Mike. Ayan. Sobrang dami niyan. And then, yung mga jacket, and then jeans. Ayan. And more shirts. And then, we've got sneakers down there. Ayan. And then, sa kabila naman, yung mga working, niya, meron pa siyang more, dyan, mga more hats, caps, however you wanna call them. Tapos, yung mga pang-work niya na mga, sa opisina ba? Mga shirts. Ganyan. And there's more shoes there, guys. And yung kanyang bag, tingnan nyo, very messy. Si Daddy Mike kasi, guys, gusto niya siya yung nag-arrange ng kanyang mga gamit. Ayan. So, most of the time talaga, siya talaga yung naghahang, nag-arrange, ganyan. And then, ito, sa likuran naman ng aming door na to, is yung mga dressing gowns namin. So, this one, uy, natagak na. This one is Paris's. Ito kay Daddy Mike. Ito yung sa akin. And then, this is for Paris. Ayan. And then, sa side na to naman, merong cupboard. Another one. And this one is for me and Paris. So, ito siya, dito ko nilalagay yung mga, ano ni Paris, yung mga jackets niya na makapal, ganyan. And then, yung ibang mga coats ko. Ayan. Diyan ko nilalagay. And then, Paris is nappy down there. And then, dito, sa mga maliliit na cupboards na to, dito ko nilalagay. Tingnan nyo yung mga bra na una kasi. Yung mga underwear ko, diyan ko nilalagay. Ayan. And then, that's about it, guys. All in all, guys, I'm very happy with the result ng room natin. I think I've achieved yung gusto kong i-achieve. I just wanted a relaxing area. And I think na mamaya pagpasok ni Paris dito, guys, siguro mababaguhan siya. Kasi yung bed niya ay nandyan na before nandun. But yeah, she's not gonna complain, guys. And yeah, now I'm just gonna relax. Relax muna tayong konti. Oh, guys, ang sarap sa feeling, guys, no? Pag malinis yung paligid mo. So I'm just gonna relax for a little bit now, guys. And then, later on, magsasampay ako ng mga damit sa likod. And then, we will pick up Paris very soon. It is now 5:10 ng hapon, guys, and it's time to pick up our baby girl. Hinihintay ko lang si Daddy Mike dito kasi nag-shower si Daddy Mike. And yes, guys, magsasama na kami ni Daddy Mike na pick upin ang ating baby girl. Starting, anong araw yun? Monday? Yeah, it was Monday or Tuesday. First time na sumama si Daddy Mike sa akin para pick upin si baby girl kasi okay na, 'di ba, na dalawa yung tao sa sasakyan. Kaya yeah, pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng araw na yun, guys, kasi actually 2 days tayong hindi nag-vlog kasi si mami niyo ay sobrang busy sa work and very stressful talaga. Kaya hindi tayo nakapag-vlog. Ipapakita ko pala yung tulips natin, guys, kasi ilang araw din akong hindi nakapag-vlog. And this is what it looks like now. Ting, tineneng! Ayan! Diba, super open na talaga lahat, guys. See? Beautiful! Ayan. Sobrang ganda. Sana hindi to malanta, no? But, impossible naman pag hindi malanta. It just looks very beautiful, guys. Sa mata. Check na natin si Daddy Mike. So, ayan, guys. Naka-shoes lang si ate niyo. Ng white. Tapos, maganito tayo, guys, pero jacket lang tayo kasi maginaw pa eh. Huwag tayong sobrang confident sa weather natin. Pero ayan, oh. Taas pa naman yung araw. And here's Daddy Mike. Show your outfit, Daddy. Oh, diba? Mas sexy pa si Daddy Mike. Ayan. So, we're gonna go pick up our baby girl now, guys. See you later!
Show Daddy your friends.
Where are we going? Where's Paris' bag?
What's that?
Where's Paris' bag? I can see it.
What's it?
Where's your bag?
What's it with mine?
Where's your sheep?
How about your water bottle, Paris? How about your water bottle? You can put this in your bag now. There you go. We'll put that on next week, okay? Where's your water bottle?
I don't know.
You don't know? Find it. Ah. Good girl. There's no sheep, Daddy.
That's it?
It's at home. Shush. Drinking water. Well, let's come out this way. Come on.
Come on. Hold that hand.
I see a caterpillar. I see a caterpillar.
What's that?
I see a caterpillar.
A caterpillar?
And this one is hiding.
No.
It's hiding?
No, Paris can do it.
This is good. This is good.
Paris can do it, okay?
Look at me.
Now, did you feed the baby now?
No. This is like drink milk. Why is that milk, a baby?
No,
Oh, water bottle milk.
He said no, Paris can. Have I fish?
Say bye, fish.
The hiding.
It's hiding. Say bye, fish. See you next week.
Daddy bought Paris a fish.
Come on, let's go. What's this, honey? What's this? This one. Oh, careful. Come, go na. Daddy's waiting. Go. Wow. Where's the Gruffalo house? There. Sinasabi niya yan, guys. The big Gruffalo house.
And
Paris, sit down. Daddy, put the seatbelt on, Nak. Are you happy Mommy and Daddy picked you up today, Nak?
yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
What?
I shot.
Paris. Paris. Come have a look. Where's your big girl bed? Where's your big girl bed? What happened to your big girl bed there? Huh?
My fishing.
Did Mommy move it?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh, beautiful. Give Mommy a thumbs up if you like it.
No.
You go, no? You don't like it, no? You don't like it, no? The bed? Hello. Paris, you're hurting Mommy's feeling. Hi, friends. What are you eating?
I'm going to big cookie.
Hello. Gubot kay buhok. Wow. Ito daw? Ano? Palangga niyo, Mama. Did you have a good day today, Paris? Did you play in the sandpit? Huh? With who? With who? Oh, I heard that you fed Josephine today.
Yes.
What did you give Josephine?
It's the big milk. Buttermilk.
Oh, water bottle milk. Did she like it? Yeah, did she say thank you to you? Say thank you, Paris, for feeding me. Did she?
I do milk. Drink milk. Like Paris.
Did you drink milk too?
Yes. Like Paris. Paris sleep.
Paris sleep, drink milk. Oh, George, Didi. Share ko lang yung ating positive quote of the day, guys. And today's quote is, I focus only on the things I can change. Ayan. And I'm going to end the vlog here now, guys. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung room tour natin. Hopefully, one day, pag nalinisan na natin yung entire bahay, then we can do a house tour. But for now, room tour muna tayo, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung mga vlogs natin. And ngayon ay mag-shoutout lang tayo, guys. And the first shoutout goes to Vicky Inot. Pa-shoutout daw sa kanyang daughter na si Sinil Kate Lupo. Shoutout to Marivic Valcorza, Chari Salazar. Shoutout din daw to Salazar, Duarez, and Rocket family in Silay City, Negros Occidental. And Alexa and Eileen Suganob sa Iloilo. Shoutout to Edeline Manosa from CDO Ipunan. Hello, Silingan. Shout out to Cherry May Ongayo, Beth Cinco, Gemeline Tato, Chris and Rian's World, Evert Suta 53, and also to her husband Elbert Suita. Shout out to Nita O from Sydney, Australia. Shout out to Joanne Owano, Joseph De La Cruz. Shout out to Josephine Rivera. Shout out daw 75th birthday ng father niya sa October 5. Arturo Didoque Gubat Sorsogon. Shout out to Edeline Manosa, Imyat Vlog. Shout out to Clarice Torres, Queenie Ong. Shout out din daw sa kanyang partner na si Jesus Ugaban. Shout out to Susana Webb, 4J Apolinario, Nancy Del Rosario, Janzi Pinay, Australia, India Filipinos Family, Joy Ron Cruz Mindo Amora, Loida Blanco, Lisan Bansil, Gina Sanguila, and Restine Santos. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye! Mwah.